How to invite guests or teammates in Asana. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. So in this video, I'm going to show you ways on how you can invite guests or teammates in Asana. So the first one is by hovering the cursor here on the My Workspace option, and then a pop-up menu will show you this invite teammates. All we need to do is to tap on this one, and then in here we can now start typing emails or accounts that we want to invite as a guest on our Asana account. So in here you can type as many accounts that you want, and then once you're done, simply tap on the send option. Another way of inviting guests is by tapping on this invite teammates at the bottom part of your screen. After that, a pop-up menu will show again here. Simply type the accounts that you want to invite. And the last way on inviting teammates or guests is by simply opening any projects or workspace that you want to invite a guest or a teammate. So as an example, I'm gonna open my workspace, and then after that, we'll have to go on the right part of the screen and then tap on this invite option. And then after that, we can now type here the accounts that we want to invite. So as an example, I'm gonna type here my other account, and then once I'm done, I'll just have to tap on the send option. And as you can see here, it is now stating that I have invited this account on my workspace. So that's how easy we can invite guests or teammates in Asana. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!